First time magta-travel abroad? Watch this video for airport guide for your international trip. First, you must be in the airport 3 to 4 hours before your departure time. Better din kung nakapag-web check-in ka na, pero kung hindi naman, pwede naman sa airport, kaya lang madalas mas mahaba yung pila. The first thing that you need to do is to pay your travel tax kung hindi pa siya included sa airfare mo. Then ready your e-travel form na pwede mong gawin habang pumipila ka sa check-in counter. Your boarding pass will be issued here and dito mo rin idadrop yung check-in baggage mo. For safety, siguraduhin mo na wala yung mga items na to sa check-in baggage mo. At pag turn mo na, you need to present your passport, travel tax, and luggages. After that is the immigration per IO interview. May mga IO na matanong, meron din namang hindi. Pero para sigurado, ready all your documents na maaaring hingin sa'yo. Tip lang, huwag kang kakabahan and just be honest lang. The last is the security check. Dito i-inspect yung hand carry mo with the use of X-ray machine. Take note lang, bawal yung mga liquid form na 100 ml and above. At kapag okay na, ready to go ka na sa iyong boarding gate. Take note lang na pwede rin tong magbago from time to time, so always monitor sa TV. Pero alam mo ba, mayroong libreng lounge access dito sa NAIA kung kasama yung credit card mo sa promo. At kung naka-BDO American Express ka rin, pwede mo magamit ang PAG sa NAIA Terminal 1. May free internet ka na, unlimited food and drink, and you can conveniently wait here as you wait for your flight. Basta make sure mo lang makabalik ka sa boarding gate mo before your departure time kasi baka masyado mong ma-enjoy maiwanan ka ng eroplano. On the other hand, if you're traveling with kids, meron din akong YouTube content regarding feeding bottle and stroller policy. At meron konting tips din for parents, basta check mo na lang sa YouTube channel ko. And for your accommodation, tours, attraction tickets, passes, pwede kayong bumili sa Klook at makakatipid ka pa if you use my code TripTikLook. Ang dali lang, diba? Enjoy your travels! So I hope nakatulong sa iyo ang video na to. At kung oo, don't forget to follow me. Ayun lang guys, bye-bye!